My lords, the newest justices of the Court of Appeal, you have just taken the oath to pledge your allegiance to the dictates of the Almighty God and the Constitution. It is a solemn pledge and commitment to good conduct in the course of your adjudication, especially as senior judicial officers of the appellate court. The number of justices that we have just sworn in today is quite unprecedented in the recent history of the Court of Appeal. The last time we recently had a large number like this was on the 28th June, Monday 2021, when 18 justices were sworn in. That in particular was preceded by that of Monday 5th of November 2012, when 12 justices were inaugurated into the court. Today's ceremony is an indication of the perilous times that we are currently in, which has resulted in an upsurge in litigation. Several unfathomable crimes are being committed in this country, aside from the usual political matters that have made litigations to go on an alarming rise. No court in the land is spared of this litigation deluge, as it were. We are constantly on our toes, and the dockets are ever increasing in response to the challenges of the crime of the time. This underscores the fact that Nigeria is fast emerging as a frontline crime-infested country that we all have to urgently curtail. The enormous task of cleaning the urging table rests squarely on your lordships. So, you must hastily fasten your belt and roll up your sleeves to face the challenges head-on. In other words, you should hit the ground, speeding at a supersonic velocity and not just running. You must redouble your pace to catch up with the expectations of the sprawling community of litigants. As judicial officers, you have a defined mandate on earth that you must discharge with unveiled honesty and sincerity. You must give good account of yourselves to justify your elevation to the Court of Appeal. In the next couple of months, we shall be having 2 governorship elections in Edo and Ondo states. As usual, the courts will be besieged with plethora of petitions. It is our statutory duty to hear all matters that come before us and adjudicate according to the laws of the land. We must not falter, and we must not tread the path of infamy. Yes, it is true that we cannot please everyone through our actions and work, but with the right application of the law and the Constitution of the land, which we all have collectively pledged to uphold, we can go a long way to do those things that our conscience will be very proud of, and the generality of the Nigerian citizens will equally be happy about. Every position we attain in life always avails us that unique opportunity to do something novel and impactful, especially if there was any previous act of wrongdoing or misapplication of discretion. With your lordship's elevation to the higher bench today, you have to be very mindful of the enormous confidence the public is now reposing in you vis-a-vis their expectations. Like is often said, to whom much is given, much more is expected. Your lordships must not rest on your horse, as the onus now lies more heavily on you to discharge your judicial duties more dispassionately, discretionally, and transparently. So, you must individually and collectively guide your loin to do more to earn lasting trust and integrity. Your conduct and disposition must tally with the yearnings and aspirations of the generality of the citizenry. I have made it known at different fora that we have been treated to an unpalatable cocktail of misleading and conflicting judgments and rulings. Frivolous interlocutory orders emanating from courts of coordinate jurisdictions which have literally attempted to make a mockery of our judicial system and flagrantly desecrate the revered temple of justice. Several cases of such abound across the length and breadth of the country. You are aware of this. This is largely an embarrassment to our jurisprudence, and we will never undo it with levity. Punitive measures must definitely be meted out to such erring judges, at whatever stage. We have already activated the process of reining in such errant judges with a view to making them face the consequence of their despicable and odious conduct. As judicial officers, we have to continually remind ourselves the fact that we are not occupying our respective positions to serve ourselves, but the Nigerian masses, and the best way we can serve them is by doing what will make them feel safe in our hands, and also trust us to always deliver the right judgments that will not be tainted by sentiments, emotions, or other clandestine considerations. I congratulate your lordships for making the list, and with you, and I wish you the best that you can achieve in this strategic position you now occupy. Thank you, and God bless us all. Yes. Turn the thing down for her. Get closer. Get closer, please.
And perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law. I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Honorable Justice Father of Honor.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic. So, judicial oath. I, Festus, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic, that as the justice of the court of appeal, I'll discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic. That I will abide by the code of conduct compared the fifth schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. But I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic. So,
Honorable Justice Nehefena Idemudia Apola.
X,
Honorable Justice Auditor,
I, El-rufai, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. I, El-rufai, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, but as a justice of the Court of Appeal, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability and faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law. That I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the fifth schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Bro, what do you want? Why are you talking to her?
Yes, my Lord, swear in approving.
Congratulations. Yes. Congratulations. Cheers.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.